Okay, welcome parents again. Welcome to our fifth period, integrated two. Um, this is a co-teaching class. Mr. Duncan and I are co-teaching this class, but we also have a student teacher, Mr. Cabrales. All of us are here. If you have any questions, please wait till our slideshow is over, and then you can ask any questions towards the end. Okay, all right. So we have a vice principal joining us. Assistant principal. Sorry, I called her vice
Oh,
principal. Sorry, I know, my fault. But we do have a short slideshow that we're going to go through. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask any questions at the end of the slide. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be recording this and I'll post this later on if you need to rewatch it or see it again. Let's see. Okay, here we go. All right. Welcome, parents. Okay, this is integrated too. Like I said, this is a co-teaching class. Tim Duncan and I, we're both here, and we also have a student teacher, Mr. Cabrales, and he'll be joining us, and he'll be with us till the end of this first semester. All right. All right. So our class will meet A through G requirements. So that means for mathematics section, they need to have 3 years of math. So basically, they're taking integrated one, integrated two, integrated three. As long as they have a passing grade, they will qualify to apply for any UCs or Cal State or any private colleges that they want to attend. All right, so for supplies, we encourage them to have some graph papers. We do have a class set that we can pass them out if they don't have it, but we encourage them to have their own. We do have a class set of graphing calculator, but if they want to continue with higher level math, we encourage them to have one. And the scientific calculator will be nice instead of using their phone in the class. And for the second semester, we'll be working on geometry concepts. So they need to have compass, protractor, and a ruler. So I do have a class set again, but at a times like this, it might be a good idea to have their own so they don't have to share with anyone else. All right, for their homework, it will be 25% of their grade. Any benchmark quiz or test or any other exams will be 75% of their grade. Grading scale will be 90 to 100, 80 to 89 will be B, and then 70 to 79 will be C, and so on. All right, so for any excused absences, we'll give them that many days to make up their work. But for this year, because of the unfortunate situation, we actually opened our assignment a little bit longer so that even though we do have a due date, we do give out three different dates. It will be a signed date, and they do have a due date. But if they don't make the due date, it will be considered as late, but we'll give them partial credit. It won't be a full credit, it will be a partial credit. Unless they have like a medical or any excuse absences, then we'll give them that many days to make up their work, and they will be considered as a full credit. Now we're pretty good. Any missing assignment or any exam they like to make up, we encourage them to come after school or even before school. We're pretty good about getting to school early, like 7:15. If they want to meet us after school, we're pretty good about staying after school till about 4 o'clock, so they can make an appointment with us. Or if they just want to swing by after school, they're welcome to come by. All right. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of our Downey DUSD portal. This is the main site where the student needs to go to find Canvas and our online textbook. So this is our Downey portal. All right, we're going to get there. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this is our Canvas. I'm going to give you a quick tour of Canvas. Here it is. This is our fifth period, our home page. This is our Zoom link, and this is our textbook. Before we get to our textbook, this is our teacher's website, and we have more categories on the left side. But for student site, they should have a little bit less. But if they click on the assignments, All right, these are all the assignments that we have covered so far. Like I said, we encourage them to do any makeup work. Any partial credit is better than zero credit. Let's say, for example, if they want to make up some old work and they have some questions about the old work and they need to get some help or something like that, we encourage them to go to the announcement. We post all of our lessons and any questions that they may have. If we go over any new lessons, we post any of the lesson new videos on the announcement page. So they can always come back here and look at the date or the lesson. Let's say if they missed a lesson on 5.3 and that's the date that we cover the notes, they can click on it and replay the video so that they can get caught up. All right. All right. Just in case if they're having like they need to get some additional practice or if they need extra help, this is our online textbook right here. Again, it will take you to Downey Portal, which is this one. And they need to find this blue icon, HRW. And when they click on HRW, it will take you. It will take them to our online textbook. My computer is a little bit slow, so you have to be patient. Okay, so it looks slightly different than the student's webpage. This is a teacher's webpage, so we have more icons. But for students, they're going to see those yellow ones right here. And for student resource, if you click on that, uh, right now we were working on polynomials, module 5 and 5.3. And if they want to get some examples, you click on the first one. This is their textbook. This is a copy of their textbook in a PDF file. And if they want to, let's say if they want to watch more videos to get any additional help, if you click on math on the spot video, they have different videos that they can watch. If they click on one of those, it will take you to this video link. And I think you get the point. All right, so we're gonna move on. And these are any like extra problems that if they want to practice, these are worksheets that they can practice if they want to for any extra work that they want to do. We encourage them to do that. If they do, then we might even give them, extra credit or something like that. Okay, just tell them to let us know. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our main page. So this is our home page, and let's go back to our slideshow. All right, so to get into those website, they need to have their student ID and their password. They should have it by now. So, but if they have any questions, tell them to come by, and then we'll help them with it. All right, tutoring is available before and after school, Monday through Friday, like I said. If they want to make an appointment, they're welcome to make an appointment with either one of us. All right, the best way to reach us is through email. This is Mr. Duncan's email, and this is my email. So if you have any questions or concern, please email us, and then we'll be more than happy to answer your questions or concerns. Okay? All right, so that's it for our slideshow. Let me go ahead and stop recording our session.